Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25 and in this video I'm going to show you how to set reminders. Okay, so in here we need to open up more apps and click on search. Now simply type reminder, select this app, click on allow to send you the notifications. In here click on continue, and now if you want to add the new reminder, simply click on the plus button. In here type the title, for example do laundry, select the time, for example the 5 p.m. Now if you click on today you can choose the day on which you want it. So let's say I will select it on tomorrow, click on save, and now the reminder has been saved for tomorrow at 5 p.m. To do the laundry. You can also click on edit because I did it too fast. And you can also select the option to repeat. And as you save, if you click on that, you can also change the strength of this reminder. So it can be light, medium, or strong. You can now see the differences between those modes. Okay, and you can also add the place if you want. Okay, simply click on save. Oh, I mistakenly selected that the reminder is done, but you know how to set it. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.